So today's video is on this fall basic, I don't know, I'm gonna call it the basic fall beat. I don't know if I should say beat though, because it's not really a full face tutorial. It's more just an eye look. So maybe just like a basic eye look. But yeah, my friend had requested more like basic looks, or like I guess easier, simple looks to do. So I thought I'd go ahead and just start off with like a fall theme one. This is not as basic as I thought I wanted. I kind of wanted more simple and like, I don't know, but you know, I like it. So whatever. But yeah, so if you would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.
To start off the look, I'll be priming my eyes with the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer. And I've really been liking this to prime. Then the palette we'll be using today is the Jaclyn Hill Palette. And the first shade I'm taking is Creamsicle and placing that as my transition shade. Next shade I'll be taking is Pukey and placing that a little lower than the transition shade, but not quite in the crease. And then just blending that out. Now dipping into the shade Jax, I'm going to place that in the crease. And I'm going to place it all the way into the inner corner and the outer corner. And just making sure it's really blended and smoked out. Now taking the shade Soda Pop, I'm just going to focus that in the outer corner and work it into my crease. This is like more like a purple, like a really dark purple shade. And I love the way maroon and purple look for the fall. So yeah, this is just going to give us more of a smoky eye. Carve out my lid. I'm just going to take more of the Morphe concealer on a flat brush, and then once we have that carved out, I'm going to take a little bit more of the shade Jax and just blend out the outer corner with the lid, just so we have a nice seamless blend. For the lid shade, I'm going to take the shade Queen, which is more like a bronzy gold. It is really pretty. I've never really used this shade before. I prefer other golds, but I really liked it for this look. Then I'm just gonna take my blending brush and just blend out the edges so it's pretty blended together. And then I'm gonna dip into, I think it's in Light or Beam, I'm not really sure, and just tap that on the inner third of the lid just to give us some like definition, I guess. Then just taking the highlight I used on my face, which is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey, I'm just going to place that as my inner corner highlight. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add a wing liner. This is really optional, you don't have to add a wing liner. But I love wing liner, so that's what I'm going to do. Dipping back into Jax, I'm going to place that in my lower lash line and just really smoke that out. I want this shade to be like the focal point of the lower lash line, if that makes sense. And then once I have that smoked out, I'll be dipping into Chip, which is like a dark brown shade, and just focus that in the outer corner of the lower lash line closest to my lash line. Then just gonna add a coat of mascara to my tops and bottom lashes, and I've been really enjoying the one by Tarte, which is the Big Eagle mascara. It's so good. Then to finish off the look, I'm just applying my Kiss Naked Lashes in the style Tulle. I got these for free in an influencer box to review, and I really like them. They're so easy to apply. And again, they're from Kiss, so they're pretty affordable as well.
So this concludes the look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you all in the next one.